Hey guys, coming at you. Fuck! Hey guys, coming at you today with another tutorial video. And today we're gonna learn how to make a Plushy Mudkip. Now you're gonna need a few things for this, so let's get into the list. You're gonna need some paper. I know it seems odd we're making a plushie, but paper is useful here. Some tape, some scissors, a cock ring, some hand sanitizer, a DVD box of I Love Lucy, preferably season 3, and a vape. And how could I forget the most important thing? A marker. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to draw a template for your Mudkip plushie. So this can take some time, so bear with me. Alright, so once you get that template done, you're going to want to draw another template on a completely separate sheet of paper. So I'm going to do that right now.
Who's the girl next door living in the haunted mansion?
Better learn my name, cause it's
Ashley. She knows the darkest spells and she brews the meanest potions.
Once you get that done, you're going to want to cut out both of the templates that you have. So this, again, will take some time. Once you get your two templates cut out, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cover the smaller one with hand sanitizer, and what this does, it acts as a sort of glue to keep the two together. And though we won't just be using the hand sanitizer, to me it just makes more sense to use the smaller template. See that? Just want to get it. You just want to get it all over it till it kind of looks a little oh my god, it's dripping. So you want to get it to where it's pretty soaked. Then you're going to want to take your other template and you're going to want to stick them together with the tape like this. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put on your cock ring, and you're going to want to watch all your DVDs of I Love Lucy, and we're just going to wait for it to dry and see what the final product turns out to be. You also want your vape for this because it helps you kill some time, you know?
Hours later.
And look at that, after just a few short hours, we have a perfectly plushed Mudkip. Wow. Looks authentic, right? Even comes with some tags just to make sure that it looks legit. Head's kinda combs over, but I mean, it's whatever. I think it turned out pretty good. What do you guys think? Anyway, thank you for going through this tutorial with me and going on another journey with me. So have a great day, and thanks for watching.
Here we go. So divinely here, performing for you. You know the words you can join into. Put your hands together.